In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a numbered list on Google Docs. So the first thing you want to do is you want to load into your document, then highlight the text you want to turn into a numbered list. Then go to the top menu and press on these three dots that says more. Then from here, you guys will now see the option that said numbered list, and it will have like a 1, 2, 3 in the icon over here. So all you got to do is you got to go ahead and press on that in order to turn the paragraph into a numbered list. However, you guys can actually make more modifications as well. So if you press on get numbered list menu, you'll now have all these options. So you guys can actually add subsections as well if you want to. For example, A, B, or 1.1, 1.2. It really is up to you how you want to go ahead and actually structure your document. But Google Docs does provide you with a lot of great options. And the way it works is that, for example, we've got one dot right over here, one bullet point. And if we go ahead and press on enter, it is now going to go ahead and start the second one. If we go ahead and press on enter, it's going to start the third one, etc. And then from there, we're able to go ahead and write our document. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.